If you're searching for how to get TeamGate CRM support, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the support options TeamGate offers, plus a quick rundown of the software itself. But stick around because at the end, I'll also show you a fantastic alternative that might just be better suited to your needs. First up, let's talk about how you can get support for TeamGate CRM. If you're new to the software or running into issues, TeamGate offers a comprehensive help center on their website. You'll find articles, FAQs, and tutorials that cover most of the common issues users face. This is a great starting point if you're looking for quick answers to simple questions. But remember, while helpful, it may not always be enough for more complex issues. Next thing, if you can't find what you need in the Help Center, TeamGate provides a direct support option. You can contact them via email, and they'll usually get back to you within a couple of business days. This is great for non-urgent matters, or if you want to discuss something specific that the help articles didn't address. However, if you need immediate help, this might feel a bit slow. The third thing you should know is that TeamGate also offers live chat support. This is a fantastic way to get quicker assistance. But be prepared. The response times can vary, and there might be some wait during peak hours. It's a helpful tool, but doesn't guarantee instant results. Now, let's briefly go over TeamGate CRM itself. TeamGate is a solid option for small to medium-sized businesses. It's straightforward, with a user-friendly interface, so you can quickly onboard your team and start using it without much hassle. It's great for tracking leads, managing customer relationships, and automating some sales processes. However, if you're looking for advanced reporting or more customization, you might find it a little limited compared to other CRMs out there. The fourth thing is the TeamGate mobile app. It's handy if you need to access your CRM on the go. It's intuitive and offers most of the features you'd use on a desktop version, making it easy to stay connected while out of the office. But like the desktop version, it might not be as feature-rich as other CRM apps, especially if you're managing a larger or more complex business. Before we wrap up, I want to mention a better alternative to TeamGate CRM that could suit your needs even more. For those looking for a CRM with more advanced features and flexibility, I recommend you check out Alternative CRM Name. It's an excellent option if you're in need of better customization, reporting, and automation, especially if you're managing a growing business. And guess what? We've partnered with them to offer our viewers an exclusive and extended free trial. This offer isn't available anywhere else, so be sure to take advantage of it through the link in the description. So, in conclusion, while TeamGate offers solid CRM support options and a user-friendly experience, it may fall short if you need more advanced features or faster support. Alternative CRM Name, on the other hand, could be exactly what you're looking for, with powerful features and an extended free trial for you to test it out. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive access to that free trial, along with some amazing benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.